and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make monster cupcakes! Awesome! Well, it's very easy. We're going to start with 1 pack of cupcake mix. Pour it into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add 180 millilitres of water, 90 millilitres of sunflower oil, and 3 eggs. Then you just need to whisk it all together, and that's your cake mixture. Fill your cupcake cases with the mixture. Fill each case 2/3 of the way. Now stick those in the oven and bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And let's decorate. We're going to roll out some blue fondant icing and cut out some small circles. Using a little bit of icing in the middle, we're going to stick on a white chocolate button to each blue circle. And now use some red icing with a thin piping nozzle to pipe on some veins. Yep, you guessed it, we're making spooky monster eyes. Now we need some black icing for the pupils. Pop in some cocktail sticks. That is so we can attach the eyes to the cupcakes once they're all ready to go. Now get some orange fondant icing and roll that out nice and thin. Use a little flour so it doesn't stick to the surface. Cut out a circle. Using icing, stick on your white chocolate button. And then add some black icing in the middle for the pupil. And again, attach it to a cocktail stick. Now we're going to roll some blue fondant icing. This is going to wrap around a cupcake. We're cutting out a parallelogram. Right, let's get some black fondant icing. We're going to cut out a circle from that and then slice it in half, using 1/2 for the mouth of the monster. Just get a little bit of water, dab it on, and stick it onto the blue parallelogram. Remove your cupcake case. Paste some buttercream icing around the sides. And stick on your fondant. Perfect! Using white icing, we're going to create some fangs. And now fill with blue icing in the middle. We're using a very interesting piping nozzle here, which makes the icing look like hair. And let's stick in our eyes. This blue monster is going to have lots of eyes. Now let's get some orange fondant icing and make another parallelogram. This is going to wrap around a cupcake for our second monster design. Again, cutting a circle out of some black fondant icing. And this time we're making a crescent moon shape. This monster's going to be smiling. Dabbing some water on there, sticking it onto your orange parallelogram. Buttercream icing goes around the edges of your cake. And just sticking it on. Piping on our icing teeth. And then some orange buttercream icing in the middle. Sprinkling on some crunchy orange topping. And attaching our giant monster eye. I say, look at that. Amazing! 2 very different and very scary monster cupcakes. Enjoy!